Hey guys, Old Iron Founder here. As you know, if you've been watching my channel, I haven't been posting many like Will It Run videos lately because I've been super busy with work, and weekends always seem like I've got something going on. Me and Lucy are actually on our way back from a soccer game right now, um, which doesn't really matter because a lot of the stuff I've got right now at the moment, I'm still waiting on parts for. The starter and the generator for that little BF Avery, they're probably already done, but I was kind of waiting till I got time to yank the starter off that C60 so that I could carry it over there and drop it off as I pick up the others, kind of make one trip. But I don't know, it's just been crazy with my workload. Also, I did post a video last week, I believe it was, a small welding project kind of deal where I made a little winch plate for one of my customers. He's actually the guy that I'm doing all this work for right now, which is why I've been so busy. I've got 4 different jobs, I think, with him. As soon as I get done with one, I immediately roll into the next one, so I'm going to be busy with him for a while. But anyways, that little video, it's already got like 800 and something views, which I know that's not many, but for my videos, that's a lot. And it's ranking so far 1 of 10 as far as how many views it's had in the first 3-4 days. So it's doing pretty good. So that makes me wonder, do you guys want to see some more welding project videos? Because I've got plenty of them. I'm just going to have to squeeze them in between jobs. Like I'm wanting to build a T-post puller for my skid steer where I can just one man just drive up, hook them, yank them out, and preferably still drop them without having to get off the skid steer, obviously, because that'll save me a bunch of time. And with me and my job, especially working all by myself, time is money, and anything I can build to make my job where I can do it as a one-man show, that's even better. In all ways, it's better faster, it's better easier, and it's obviously more money if I'm getting it done quicker. But that's what I need to know from you guys is I know you're probably going to want to see some more Will It Run videos, and like I said, I'm going to do some more for sure, and some are going to be updates to Will It Run videos that I've already started that I'm waiting on parts for, or just flat out waiting on time to get to. But would y'all like to see equally as many welding videos, how-to videos? The last video that I did with the welding, I didn't really show me actually welding. It was blocked out by my hands and whatever. I'd like to do some where I'm actually, the camera's on the weld itself, where you can see. I mean, I tend to weave everything I weld just because that's what I've always done all my life. Whether it's stick or MIG, and TIG I don't really know how to do yet because I've just never really had a need to do any TIG welding. I have several TIG welders, but it's just something that hasn't ever come up that I've needed to do. But that's the main reason for this video, kind of give y'all an update about what's going on with me, why I haven't really made any big long videos in a while, and 2, to kind of get y'all's advice on, not really advice, but what you would suggest. What do you think? What are y'all wanting to see? Fabrication welding videos? Would you like to see more of them? Or would you like me to just keep going where I'm going with a Will It Run and try to pick up some more stuff? Maybe, I don't know. Which I am picking up a lot more stuff next Friday. Probably a trailer and truckload. But it's all smaller stuff, like the old Cub Cadet, garden tractors when they made them like a real tractor. Several other just random small engines, the little military 4-cylinder engines. I'm probably going to be bringing home 100 and something engines, some of them with attachments or whatever they've got on them. But anyhow, I'm going to get me and Lucy home and grab some lunch, get her out of her soccer outfit, get some more comfortable clothes on. And apparently I need to take a nap. But y'all leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching the video.